My glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share part 3 of my Decorate With Me for Easter 2023. And today guys, we are decorating my living room. I hope you enjoy. Now to start with, I always love to make a beautiful bouquet of flowers per season. And I have this beautiful Glam vase that I've had for a few years now from TK Maxx. And I'm just going to shop my own home for some pretty flowers. And what I did guys is I just popped them inside. They're just sitting in there. And then I took a glass and put it upside down. And then I sat a bunny on top. Now I'm going to start with my coffee table ottoman in my living room, and I got this really pretty scalloped runner from Kmart recently, and I'm going to place that across the middle. I'm then going to add this pretty basket, and then I'm going to add the beautiful flower arrangement to the centre. I'm then going to start on my mantle as well as these 2 chairs either side of the mantle. Now I had these beautiful blush pink bunny cushions. I picked these up guys from Amazon last year, and I'll link them for you down below. And I'm going to place one on each chair.
Here I am, right in front of you. Look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away. So please let me stay.
Now bringing in some more blush pink, I had these beautiful fake flower arrangements from TK Maxx, and I'm going to place the 3 in the centre. Now to each end of the mantle, I'm going to add these gorgeous baby blue Easter eggs that I picked up from TK Maxx this year. Also from TK Maxx this year, I hung this really pretty gingham bunny garland. It is so adorable. Now I'm really loving rattan at the moment, and the Reject shop here in Australia has the most gorgeous Easter rattan decor this year. Guys, if you're not aware of the Reject shop, it is a dollar store here in Australia, and there is so many good things in there, and I loved decorating with their Easter decor this year. And I teamed it up with this gorgeous blush pink canister that I'm using as a vase, as well as these beautiful fake flowers from Bunnies. Now to the opposite shelf, I added another one of those rattan bunnies, as well as two other bunnies from my collection. And also on my wall art, I added this adorable bunny wreath. Now on my couch, I have these adorable bunny cushions, also from TK Maxx this year, and I'm going to add them to my blue and white cushions. These ones are from Adair's, guys, and I keep them out all year round. I also added a pink and white check cushion. Now that is a cushion cover, guys, that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm also going to add this sweet little bunny cushion that I picked up from TK Maxx last year. Now at the end of my chase, I like to change out my throw blanket, and I'm just going to add this sweet little one with the bunnies. On my little side table, I love to add a little vignette here from time to time. So I added these sweet bunny and eggs. And guys, here is my Easter living room makeover. I'm so happy with how it came. One of the new additions that you'll notice here in my living room is these battery operated puck lights that I have installed in these barn lights. Now the barn lights, guys, are from Amazon, and I just did that DIY project where you add a puck light inside without getting an electrician. I love that hack, guys. I think that is just such a clever idea if you want to add a little bit of light in a certain area, but you don't want to fund the money of having to get an electrician in every time that you want to put a light somewhere. comment down below if you've started decorating for Easter, and are you enjoying this Decorate With Me series? Now guys, I'd love to hear your feedback. Is there a particular area of my home you'd love to see me decorate? I'd love to hear your opinions on that. So don't forget to leave me a comment down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night.